Hello everyone, how are you today? So this is a recorded video, it's not a live stream, and this is the 9th of June on Wednesday. So today, this particular video is about explaining my position that I took on the pound JPY as of now. I just took the trade and I'm still holding this buy, and I will explain how exactly screen the charts and took that buy trade on this particular video today. And so this particular video is actually for the GTS members. Usually I capture these videos or screenshots and upload whenever I take trades and exits. So this is actually for the GTS members, but in case I cannot come back home because I will be going out from home from now, and this is actually recording at 8:36 in UTC time zone on the 9th of June. And after this recording, I will be going outside from home and I might be coming back late at night. If that's the case, I cannot do the live stream and I will upload this video instead. So this is for the GTS members and also in public viewers also. So just a quick disclaimer, this information today is basically based on my own experience and understanding. So when you take trades, please do with your risk management. And also please follow the guidelines and rules in my community, live streams and videos, and that will be great. Okay, so let me switch it to the MT5 because I took the trade on the pound JPY. So so here is pound JPY, and on upper right is the daily chart. On the upper low is the 30-minute time frame, and on the left is a 5-minute time frame. So usually when I take trades, I check charts and screen charts. I screen almost 20 pairs on my watch list, as you can see on my trading view. From previous live streams and videos, I screened the charts, and today I took the trade on the pound JPY. So and let me tell you how I took the trade. Actually, let me show you the screenshot before or exactly right after I took that buy. So this was the screenshot when I took that buy, and I already showed it to the Global Trading School members. But so here I took a buy. So when I took the buy here, I see charts in multiple time frames. So I use Ichimoku in higher time frames where I see the daily chart was up, Kumo was up, Kijun Sen was up, and price above the Kijun Sen Kumo, and Chikou span above the candles. And this is a nice uptrend confirmation. So when I see this, I expect the market goes up and down and the bullish wave. And also I see a nice reversal line here. The previous resistance became support yesterday and also the day before. So in bouncing, and it looks like it's going up this way. So this was the 154.596 was the reversal line that I captured on the daily chart, and I expected the bounce, and the market keeps going up this direction. And also you can draw the descending trend line on this yellow line, and I also expect the market breaks it and goes up this way along the way. So that's the daily chart analysis, and this is for higher time frame daily chart, and I confirmed the uptrend in 30-minute chart as well. Kumo's up, Kijun Sen up, and also the price action in this case was important because I saw the highs were at the same level, almost at the same levels, and it's just broken upwards here. And also the lows were getting higher. So this is typically like a ascending triangle, and that's why I took a buy here. Well, actually that's why I expected the market goes up continuously along this way. And then I look at the 5-minute chart, and I saw this N wave. Simply I saw this N wave continuation, and I expected the market goes up this way along the way. But my scenario was, so if the market breaks this 38.3% level, if the market breaks this level, then I will exit was my idea, because you can see that also in this area there was a previous resistance became support. So here's another reversal confirmation, and I expect the market breaks upwards this way without breaking this 38.2% level. So if it breaks downwards this way in a 5-minute chart, then that was my exit timing. So let me show you what happens afterwards now. So, and this is what's happening. So I took the buy here, I took the buy all the way up here, and the market retraces backwards. So I was about to exit when the market reached back towards to 155.04, and when it did, then I would have been exited here, but somehow it was supported. So there were twice of supports in this area, once and twice supports, and now it's going up this way. And also there's another reversal lines here that we can draw. So you see another resistance, and there was a pushback over here and broke the previous resistance, and now with this doji candlestick, the market was bouncing and it goes up this way. So this is a nice uptrend continuation. Also you can see the daily chart is uptrending, and also the 30-minute chart is uptrending too. So and here's my stop loss. My stop loss is below 27 pips below the positions. So these blue lines over here are the stop losses. So I take 2 positions here, and I put the stop losses below the 5-minute chart. So my target initially is the daily resistance, which is 155. Let me draw the lines to clarify. So my target in this situation is 156.069. I expect the market goes up to that level, and it might retrace. If it retraces, then I will exit over here. But if the market keeps going up this way and bounces and goes up this way, then I will of course keep trading the profits along the way. But this is my scenario as for the target. So my stop loss in this case is very tight, because this is based on the 5-minute chart. Stop loss 27 pips, and then the target is up all the way to 91 pips or 92 pips of profit that I expect. So once again, I look at the chart in multiple time frames, and I usually take trades this way. And whenever the market reverses backwards against my direction, then simply I exit. With risk management and also psychological management is also important too, because so I took the buy here. I took the buy exactly on this candlestick, and if you are not really understanding the essence of the market in multiple time frames, then when you see the downtrend, when you see the market reverses backwards in 5, you might exit here. You might exit, and afterwards the market goes towards a direction. It happens, but that's why you have to create scenarios when to exit and when to set the break-even line and when to trail the profits along the way. So I didn't exit over here once again because it didn't break the 38.2% level. At this 155.049 level was the reversal line in 5-minute chart. So simply when it broke, then I would have been exited, but it didn't happen, so that's why I kept holding this buy. So now it's coming back, but I don't really feel worried about this one because there was previous support here. There is another reversal line here too, so I expect the market bounces at this area and continuously goes up this way. And when it does, then at some point I will move it to the break-even lines and then basically leave the chart like this way. So after this recording, I will be stepping outside of home in about 10 minutes from now, And but when I'm outside, I will keep my eye on the mobile on this chart, and when it retraces backwards, then simply I will exit. But when it continues to go up, then I will trail the profits along the way. So the exit scenario in this case is that if the market breaks, so let's say if the market breaks the reversal line over here, which is in 5-minute chart at around 155.17 level, if the market breaks here downwards this way, and let's say if the market reverses backward this way N wave, then I might exit. If it doesn't happen, then simply if the market breaks once again the 38.2% level, then I will exit there too. But it depends on how the market retraces backwards along the way. I might have to watch other pairs and also currency strength chart to support the exit timing too. But these will be the potential exit timings with a few loss. So I take 2% risk per trade. So 2% means the position to the stop loss is 2%. So this is 2%. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, so position to the stop loss is 2% of my equity or of my trading balance. So if I exit, let's say 38.2%, then this is about like 1% drawdown, which is still acceptable for me. And so this risk is 2%, but my reward is 92 pips above. So it's going to be about like 1 to 3 risk and reward ratio in this particular trade. So I expect 6% gain on this particular trade. Okay, so yeah, this is my trade for today, and let's see how it plays out. So once again, I will be leaving home soon. So and if I cannot come back home today, and then I will upload this video. Otherwise, I will do the live stream. So you will see which one to see. Okay, so thank you for watching until the end. If you liked it, please press a good button. And please subscribe and click the bell button so that you get notified as I do these video sessions, live streams every day on my YouTube channel. And thanks to everybody's support, now my subscriber is becoming over 30k now. So I'm thinking to do a special live stream, and I will announce the details in near future. So until I see you next time, please stay healthy and stay gold. Alright, bye for now everyone. Mata ne. Thank you.